How to create a Trust Wallet account. First of all, go ahead and download Trust Wallet from the Play Store. After that, open Trust Wallet. You can see create a new wallet option. Go ahead and tap on create new wallet as you're creating a new account. After you have done that, you should create a passcode for yourself. So go ahead and choose the passcode and re-enter the passcode once again. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on confirm and identify yourself and authenticate yourself with face or fingerprint. You can see you can enable notifications, or you can just go ahead and tap on skip as well. Wait for a while, and as you can see that you have just created a Trust Wallet account for yourself. You can now start buying or selling cryptos. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.